Very quick before the video starts, I've been having problems with my editing software on my laptop. So I'm uploading this video on my cell phone to give you guys a heads up that I have a few videos that I need to upload, but until I get this problem fixed, this is what I've got to do.
So, welcome to JTuned Pad. Today, what we're going to do is fab up some fan clutch tools to remove and install the fan clutch on my truck. So I have outlined here of the three tools that I'll be mainly using. And I'm going to fab them up. I'm going to transfer the template to these pieces of sheet metal, and then I'm going to cut it out. These tools normally have a thick piece of metal like this, but I couldn't find thick pieces of sheet. So I'm going to use these thin pieces of sheet metal and cut the main parts of the tool out of these pieces of sheet metal, and I'm going to use the handle part. I'm going to use this as the handle part to give it a better support. And then I'll go ahead and weld this part to this. So I'll more than likely do two templates of each end of the tool, so that way I could sandwich it right here to give it more strength, so it doesn't break or bend on me when I'm trying to use it. So that's what I'm going to do now.
You're good?
So I cut this. This ended up being a perfect square, or fit the thing perfectly fine. So I just smoothed out the edges. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna weld this right here, so I can have good leverage with this. And then after I weld this here, I'm gonna weld beads on the side. And then after I get these welded, then I'm gonna trim this a little bit to meet up this here. So that way there's no points here. As you can see me do right now. Let's do this. Up. Now, to get the welder. Instantly came in.
You want a new shoe?
Yeah.
Yeah, some dangerous movies go back on that.
It's not the prettiest of welds, but I'm also using a Harbor Freight welder. So, okay.
corners there?
No, they're fine. I'll just use some sandpaper, clean it up a little bit. But first tool, complete.
I wish I hit in there.
We'll test it out here in a few minutes after I finish the other one. Alright, we are now armed with our forged tools. Let's see if they'll actually work. Okay, this one right here with the square tip comes right here in this part. There. And this one goes around the bolt right there. And then it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
No?
It's already bending it.
Too thin.
I have an idea. I'll be